So guys, good evening and welcome to this channel once again. Welcome to this video once again. And this is Masum here. So maybe you are getting you are watching a setup behind of me. You can see a setup behind of me. So it means that I am recording this video. I am shooting this video at evening time, and I believe that on my previous all videos, you were experiencing like very noisy audio, and because I did not have any microphone on that moment. But fortunately I have purchased a microphone, and it is 𝗙cie𝗹𝗹𝗪 S13 Pro wireless microphone, and it has 3-level noise cancellation. Now I am working with 2-level noise cancellation. It has also reverb mode, and I believe that from today onwards my audio quality will be improved also. So if you like this video, then please do subscribe the channel, and like this video, comment on this video, share this video, support me. Okay, so let's talk about something. And in this meanwhile, I want to say that if you want to know the full unboxing and full review, like test, like indoor or outdoor, what kind of quality it has, then you can watch my review video or unboxing video. The channel link is in the description below, so you can go to the channel MNuserX and you can watch the video, full review of it. So mainly that ignore everything whatever I say in this video, whatever I will be saying in this video. Take this as a lesson, take this as a spoken English suggestion video, spoken English practice video. So if you want to improve your spoken English, then as I said on my previous video, that you should must practice daily basis. In this meanwhile, I'm going to activate three level noise cancellation. Okay, just give me a few seconds. Okay, now it's fully activated 3-level noise cancellation. Just let me know in the comment that are you getting any background noise, any noise activity, because I have already activated the 3-level noise cancellation. Guys, first of all, thank God that I have already improved my spoken English anyhow by practicing and by recording this kind of video and by uploading this kind of YouTube videos on my YouTube channel. So it is one of the best technique, it is one of the most useful weapon of me, that I have anyhow improved my spoken English at least a good level. Okay, because there are so many levels like A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2, and C2 is the advanced level and A1 is the beginner level. Okay, so let me know in which level you are right now. So as I said on just few minutes ago, just few seconds ago, that this is 𝗙cie𝗹𝗹𝗪 S13 Pro wireless microphone. That the price of this microphone is in big billion days. I have purchased it on from Flipkart. The price of this wireless microphone is within 2K, yeah, within 2000. Okay, so if you are interested, then you can buy it from Flipkart. I'm not recommending you, even I want to say that this is not a promotional video also. As I already informed that this video is going to be just a casual video. Okay, casual type video. So in this way, what I'm saying, that what I have just said, that in this way I am doing my practice. Okay, and I have already activated 3-level noise cancellation, because there is a mic is sounding. So to avoid that noise, I have activated 3-level noise cancellation. Maybe you are getting some lower voice, so please you can increase your voice kindly. Evening time in these days, in our West Bengal, particularly in Uttar Pradesh district, the temperature is so high, and that is why I am sweating too much. You can see that. So I am recording this video to want to know from you that how is the voice quality right now. Okay, if it is bad, then I will improve in my previous in my future video. Just let me know. Already I have recommended you top 10 movies. If you watch that kind of movies, then you can obviously improve your spoken English. And some people ask me or comment on my previous video that if they will watch those movies, will they improve their spoken English, will they able to speak in English? Then I want to suggest you that, I want to say you that only watching that kind of movie is not enough. You have to practice. So until unless you to practice, you already know that. And already I say that in my all video, that you should practice, because you can practice with yourself, like in front of the camera, just sit in front of the camera and start speaking. Okay, so on my last video, how to watch a movie, I have already guided that how you need to watch a movie to at least improve your spoken English, and how to watch a movie properly to learn spoken English also. From movies you can learn a new phrases, a new idioms, because idioms is the major part of your spoken English. If you use idioms in your spoken English, then it will sound like very good, very well. Okay, as you are a C1 level at least. Finally, I got good response on my last video. So guys, keep supporting me and share this video, like this video, to subscribe this channel. And already I have informed that just few minutes ago, initially, that this video just going to be a casual talk type. So do subscribe, like, comment, share. Meet you soon on my next video with new topic. So thanks for watching. Jai Hind.